Dejémosla por ahí.
Let's look carefully at the way this pendulum swings. Here, it seems that each pendulum swings through a different period depending on the length of its string, doesn't it? Those with short strings swing thus. The ones with long strings swing in this manner. These pendulums swing through the same period when their strings are the same length. Do you have the same situation in the case of a swing? These swings all have ropes of the same length. See? They all swing the same, don't they? The time it takes for them to go back and forth is the same. They all accomplish the same distance in the same period of swing. Now, what will happen if we put them all on the same starting line, but start them one after another with a short delay between each one? They look like a wave. If you look only at the hats, they seem to be going up and down, don't they? Now, let's put many pendulums of the same length in a row. Each of them individually makes the swinging movement of a pendulum. But if we look at their movement as a whole, we seem to see a wave. we look carefully from the front, we can see the movement of one ball which is a component of the wave motion. We find that it seems to be repeating an up and down movement. This time, let's experiment by using pendulum weights on the end of coil springs. The extended length of each coil spring must be the same. Now, let's start them one after another. Although each coil spring repeats only an up and down motion, overall we see a wave pattern. Watch the movement of this red ball floating on the surface of the sea.
Hay una bola roja flotando en el océano. Ahí está.
This time, we'll artificially create water waves.
Me veo yo ir.
How is this? Is the movement of the red ball similar to the movement we saw in the experiments with pendulums, swings, and coil springs? It is, isn't it? But if we view the ball from the side, well, it's moving in a circle. The ball moves in a circle, doesn't it?
La bola se mueve en un círculo. Están echando unas partículas en el agua para ver el movimiento de las partículas.
Let's check the movement below the surface.
A ver cómo se mueve el agua abajo. Cómo el agua mueve las partículas abajo.
The water is undergoing this same circular motion, not only on the surface, but all the way down. The water does not move forward with the wave as the wave progresses. Water The deeper the balls lie, the smaller the circular motion becomes.
Arriba vamos a ver círculos grandes y
Water particles move around a locus, going up and down and to the left and right. Each particle maintains an even distance from the locus point. The deeper the water, the smaller the motion becomes.
Arriba círculo grande, abajo círculo chiquito. Porque la partícula se mueve menos abajo.
A wave can travel for long distances. Once the disturbance is passed, every particle of water is left exactly where it was before.
Woo!